One enterprise we know of grew to 8,500 managed applications, not by accident, by everyone solving their own problem, their own way, with their own tool, and nobody governing the connections between them. Now AI is creating that same risk at 10 times the speed. Every business unit with a new agent, every team with a different integration, every workflow built in isolation. More insight, more sprawl, more things that break at the boundary between systems. The engineering problem was never AI capability. It's reliably connecting and constraining organizational data so AI produces the outcomes you can trust. What IT actually needs is a governed integration and orchestration layer, one that the business can use without building shadow IT, and it gives you visibility and control over everything running across your systems. That's where we start. Every automation your business runs across every system, visible and governed in one place, not built by IT for the business, built by the business on a governed platform IT controls. That's the difference between integration debt and integration architecture. Business user building a cross-system process in natural language with governance, data mapping, and exception handling built in automatically. This is what replaces the 6-month integration project and the shadow iPaaS your sales team built because they couldn't wait. Business moves fast, IT maintains control. Both things are true at the same time. This works in real time across all of your systems. Here's a live production process, end-to-end revenue intelligence across 4 enterprise systems. The auto data mapper resolves field conflicts across systems automatically. No custom transformation scripts, no brittle ETL jobs that break once a source system changes its schema. Business rules, data types, permissioning, normalization logic, defined once, enforced everywhere, maintained centrally. When a source system changes, the rules don't break, they adapt. Of course, it's reusable across every other process. There's an AI agent embedded in this process, and here's what makes it safe for the enterprise to use. It doesn't have access to the open internet. It operates on a live, permissioned data canvas. Only the data it's authorized to see, only the rules it's configured to apply. LLMs are probabilistic. Finance and operations need deterministic outcomes. The constraints are what close that gap. Governed AI, permissioned access, auditable outputs, that's the only AI that belongs in the enterprise process. The output surfaces in an embedded analytics layer. No separate BI license, no data leaving the governed environment to live in a third-party tool. Business users get self-serve answers in plain language. Finance teams get Excel exports or Google Sheets with live data connections. IT gets one integration layer to govern instead of 15-point solutions to maintain. Complete visibility across every automated process in your business. Data quality exceptions surface before they become business problems. Governance that doesn't require a ticket and a 2-week wait. Business builds what it needs. IT governs the foundation. AI operates within the constraints that produce the outcomes you can trust. That's put it forward.